Hey everyone, Frank here, and today I'm bringing you my unboxing of the brand new 2020 13-inch MacBook Pro. Our review today starts off with a trip to my local Apple store to pick it up. I'm back. Guess where I just went? Just picked up this baby. So let's head on home and unbox it. For today's unboxing, I went and purchased the 2020 13-inch MacBook Pro in beautiful space gray. Specs-wise, this packs the 10th generation Intel Core i5 processor, 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports, 16 gigs of RAM, and a 512 gigabyte solid-state drive. So here you have all the detailed specs that you get on the box. So let's go ahead with the satisfying sound of unboxing. As always, super simple packaging with Apple. Just your basic box, Apple branding. So let's go ahead and open this up. And there you have it, space gray. So let's go ahead and remove this. And I'll put this aside. Let's remove this. All right, so let's put this aside for now, and we'll let it boot up. And let's have a look inside the box to see what we find. So you have your 2-meter USB Type-C wire in white. Now I'm not hating, but space gray would have been nice. You have your documentation and the traditional, I'm assuming, Apple stickers. Does anyone use these? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below if anyone uses these stickers. And then you also have the 61-watt USB-C power adapter. So basic stuff. And that's it. So let me just put this back in the box, and then we will have a more detailed look at the computer itself. So here you have it. I decided to go with the 4 Thunderbolt one. As you can see here, 2 on one side, 2 on the other. Now, a couple of things you do need to know if you are shopping or comparing 13-inch MacBook Pro models is that not all of them are really all that new for 2020. Gone is the butterfly keyboard, and it is replaced with the Magic Keyboard across the lineup. This particular model comes with the 4 Thunderbolts, like I said, which is definitely an improvement in itself, especially if you have a need for more than 2. I do know that there are some great options out there in terms of adapters, but I personally didn't want to feel like I was limiting myself in terms of connectivity when it came to peripherals. And since we are on the subject of peripherals, accessories, and adapters, it is worth noting that Apple's website actually offers the 2-meter and 1-meter USB-C cable for the exact same price of $19.99 on their US website, so that's kind of a no-brainer. Now, another deciding factor for me was the idea that the 2020 MacBook Pro lineup in the 2-port version only offers 1 fan, which is nothing new, whereas the 4-port version now has 2 fans, which allows obviously for better cooling, but also lets your MacBook achieve better speeds. Now, it goes without saying that depending on your need and your budget, you may not have to get the exact same specs as what you're looking at right now. I chose to compromise my budget with my needs for basic video editing as well as portability. So there you have it. This was my unboxing, first impressions, and first look at the 2020 MacBook Pro 13-inch. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like. Make sure you subscribe down below. And thank you very much for watching.